Hello and welcome to what is possibly an internet first on Bloke on the Range. This is not the rifle you think it is, unless you've been following the channel. This is an 1889/96 Schmidt-Rubin. More details in a later video, but we thought that we would take the opportunity to shoot some original ammo in it. Now, I've got a 6-round stripper clip of some GP90/23, which is this stuff. From memory, it's swaged lead, paper patched, iron cap, smokeless. Not semi-smokeless, not black powder. So, hopefully some of this is going to go bang. Or click bang at least.
Bit of a delay.
Okay, let's just let this one stew.
We had better luck with the K93.
We did.
My 100-year-old ammo is better than your 100-year-old ammo.
Yeah. Definitely. Your 100-year-old ammo was better. This is a clip from 1911, so it's actually some of the very last of this that was made before the changeover. This is very click bang.
Teaches you to hold your aim.
Yeah, you shoot flintlocks, so you're used to it. Last one. Nah. We're done here. So, soon there'll be a video on the details of this, how it differs from the 1889, and I'll also do some videos on reloading for it, because this original ammo is tonk. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video. Like and subscribe, etc, etc, etc. Please come join us on our Facebook page. It's where all the interesting stuff happens, or vaguely interesting stuff at least. And I hope to see you again sometime. Bye!